Hey, are you ready to be a salsa ninja? Get your dance shoes ready. What's going on, guys? Herman here. I want to teach you a shine. Today we have a short one. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoy it. If you do, leave it a thumbs up. Subscribe here for more salsa tutorials. Enjoy. Bam! What's going on, guys? Herman here, back with another shine tutorial. Let's get right into it. 5, 6, 7, basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Suzuki to the side until 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Two more times. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last one. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll do it from the back. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more, 5, 6, 7, cross, step. I'm gonna kick, that's 5. I'm gonna step behind, and I'm gonna cross. 6, 7. So I went 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. From the front, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, kick, and cross. I go step in front and cross, 1 and 3. So I do a little cha-cha step there. 1 and 3. 5, 6, 7, and 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 1 and 3. From the top, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Kick, step, cross, and 3. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, and 3. I'm going to go down to the side. 5, 6, 7. And down, step, up. Down, step, up. Down, step, up. Down, step, up. 5, 6, 7. Down, step, up. Down, step, up. Down, step, up. So 1 and 3. Down, step, up. One more time. Down and 3. Down, step, up. I'll do that from the back. 5, 6, 7. 1 and 3. 5, 6, 7. One more. 1 and 3. 5, 6, 7. Right turn to finish it off. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Again. 5, 6, 7. 1 and 3. 5, 6, 7. Right turn. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Last one. 5, 6, 7. 1 and 3. 5, 6, 7. Right turn. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. All the way from the top. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6. Cross. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7. 1 and 3. 5, 6, 7. Right turn. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Last one. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1 and 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Here we go. 5, 6, 7. Basic. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1 and 3. 5, 6, 7. Basic. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1 and 3. 5, 6, 7. Right turn. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. All the way from the top with music. Here we go. awesome job. Well done for making it all the way to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed the class. I hope you enjoyed the little lesson. Practice this shine first with slow music, then start to speed it up until you become a salsa tornado and you're on the dance floor. Everybody's asking you where you're learning the shines. Send them my way. Share this video with your friends. Leave them a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below letting me know how it goes. And if you want to improve, send me a direct message. Maybe we could do a private lesson over FaceTime or WhatsApp. I want to help you out, and I want to make sure that you're improving. Until next time, bam, boom.